Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a long time since my last video, just had a lot on. And as well as thank you ever so much for the people who've sent in videos to us as well on the channel. Today we've had another fantastic video been sent in, and it's been actually by one of the contractors we should have been working with in 2020, but unfortunately the coronavirus we haven't got round to filming with them. The video has been sent in by Russell Price Farm Services, and it's been sent in by Richard Young, who works for them. And so a big thank you to him for sending this video in, and it's of them combining with their 2-class combines and their new John Deere Combine as well. So stay watching to the very end, and I'll see you again at the end. So wasn't that some fantastic footage been sent in by Russell Price Farm Services by Richard Young, who sent the footage in to us at Farm In Here, of their class combines and their John Deere combine working as well. And as well as that, just to say as well, we're going to now be posting videos every Saturday, and we're going to do a Wednesday video as well from now onwards. And like I said, if you haven't seen your videos up on the channel yet, or you haven't had a message back for us, please bear with us. We are working through them as fast as we can. And as well as that, if you like the video as well, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up as well. And as well, follow us on Facebook as well. And as well as that, if you like to as well, please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to thank everybody as well for the amount of subscribers we've had. We're over 1,073 subscribers now, so thank you ever so much for subscribing to the channel. So thank you ever so much for watching, and till next time, we'll see you again very soon. Bye bye for now.